Okay guys, what I want to do in this video is show you how to report a bug when it happens. Now you can see I'm having an issue. I can't type into here. I can type into these areas. Everything else seems to be working. Title, everything's working, but when I come to here, I can't type. It just doesn't let me type at all. So that seems to be a pretty major bug. The way that you're gonna sort of fix this is you're gonna come into here where it says report a bug. But before you do it, what I would do is first take a screenshot of the affected area, okay? And I would just make a little arrow into the area that you're having an issue with. And then I would go ahead and hit share. Then I would open this up where it says report bug, put a link to that bug, and then explain what's going on here. So the area is called prompt content. The prompt content area is not letting me type anything into the content box. Please fix. Thanks. And submit. Okay, so bug report submitted successfully. One other thing you can try to do, let me just do a hard refresh and just see if that fixes it. I'm guessing that it won't. Yeah, it's still a bug. So that's it. That's how you report a bug, and hopefully you don't run into too many, but I ran into this one and figured I'd make this video for you guys. Thanks.